For acro strength, we're working the back flip. Now you're going to jump up into an inversion. You're holding the rings with the arms bent, have the feet forward, and it's like you sit down into a chair and you're falling and you're going to jump up into that handstand position. So from there, jump, then you're going to step and come out of it. Let the rings unravel, then step out with the other leg. So coming forward, make sure you drop the hips and then you're going to open the front of the hips when you're going up. Coming out. Then for the arm side of it, so that's getting that pull position, you're going to hit that nice handstand. It's good to do it against the wall so you can open up your shoulders all the way and open up the hips so you can get a little bit of an arch, and then you're going to step out of it, bringing those shoulders up. So kicking up into a handstand. And trying to feel that as that second leg comes down, the arms come up so you get that nice seesaw out of it. Then you're going to do a vertical jump. So you've got a nice vertical position, come down and drive. You can jump a little bit back, so it's a bit more like a back flip as opposed to a back somersault that you jump straight up. Just want to make sure you open up the front of the hips and open the shoulders. So opening the shoulders and the hips into that nice takeoff position. Then working 4 sets of that. Remember, these are skill-based movements and you don't want to get too fatigued. So you really want to feel the nice position. They're great to film so you can work on all the little things that you may not be picking up because it's a little bit disorientating, jumping upside down, handstands on the wall, and sometimes you're just thinking of just getting it done rather than the details, but when you film it you'll see them and you go, oh yeah, I thought I was opening my hips, I thought I was opening my shoulders, and you can open it and improve it because you get a greater sense of awareness. So make sure you have enough rest. Usually in the class we'll do left and right leg, so 2 reps of the back flip, 2 reps of the snap down, 2 to 4 reps of the vertical jump. You just don't want to get to the point where you're fatigued and your form isn't as good. It's not something you want to try and fatigue the body with. You're trying to improve the skill and improve the technique with these movements.